Hey guys, Jason with Fender Garage, and we are here at the old Fender Garage where we started our hobby, turned into a business, and so we've decided to open up a upholstery shop and do all things upholstery for all the vehicles that we currently do, and then for those that just want good quality upholstery here in Arizona or wherever you're at. So I want you to come on in, we'll show you what we got going on, we'll talk about some things we're doing. Let's go. All right, let's get that door because we, want to have good housekeeping while we're here. So we have this place here that we store some trucks. It's a truck that we had Kyle Augsburger cut down for us. He's the guy that cuts down all the C10s, and he cut this long bed down for us, and we're prepared to do some suspension and coyote swap in it here a little bit later this year, and do kind of a how-to do a coyote swap on a budget. And so this is what this is slated for. And we got a few toys and another truck, and then a truck I need to sell, so if somebody wants to buy this, I'm gonna move it to the other shop, make some more space here, and then projects we're working on. So as you can see, we've got our SEMA truck here, and we decided that we really wanted a different color, and so that's kind of what's happening here. We're making the changes. Didn't really intend to do this, but it just kind of worked out to where we decided to set up upholstery, and we had some others that we were going to start, but we decided we'd go ahead and tackle this up front just to kind of speed the process up. We've got 3 other trucks we're going to bring over here in the next couple days that we're just going to go one right after the other. We got like 10 trucks that need upholstery, so we got to kind of get after it. But anyway, so as you can kind of see, there's a lot of room here. We do have a lift here, and we've got a big table here for sewing. You can come over and see Andre. He's kind of doing a little prep work, getting these panels ready so they can be wrapped and go back inside the door panel, and then they'll have door handles and an armrest here, so they'll go back in on the door. He's just doing a little prep work. Those are done. We've got a big table here, a sewing machine, and we tried to make it as nice as we could, and bought a brand new sewing machine, so we'd start off with something good, not something that was used and broken. So anyway, so we're kind of working through the interior of this truck, getting through it, wrap the steering wheel, fix these up, got them to a little bit better size than they were, and then we've got them rewrapped and just trying to get it finished up. We didn't start this interior, someone else did, and they did a good job on some fabrication, but with the color change and time schedules, it just made sense for us to do it. Over here is kind of like our woodworking fab area. Riley here, he's just kind of getting this seat cleaned up and getting it ready for foam. Another little portable table here we got. And then over here, we've got some workstations that we've built, and we're gonna install a bunch of different routers over here so we can have a router station, hang a bunch of router bits and different things up. Still got a few things to clean up, but we got, shapers and joiners and planers and chop saws and a dust collection system we wanna hook up and get going as well. We got this little office in here. Come check it out. So we're gonna store materials and a lot of the samples and finished product in here. And we built this board here that's gonna hold all of our thread. And so we've got the Ceraphil thread that we're getting from Relicate back in, I don't even know where they're from, honestly, I'll be honest with you, but they make some really good product, and so we're getting it from them. And I told him, I said, how many colors are there? He said, geez, there's like almost 150 colors. So I said, great, send me one of each. So that way we're prepared, we have all the colors for what we need. We're not going, I wish I had that color. We'll already have all that stuff. So the goal is to have lots of product in-house, lots of all the thread, and then be able to get stuff fairly quickly. And so most of these companies, it seems to be, they'll ship within a couple days if it's ready to go, and most of it is ready to go. And so it doesn't take very long to get your leather and your carpet and all that stuff. So anyways, this is kind of what we're doing. We've got a pretty good shop here, and we've got some good help here, and guys are pretty amazing at what they're doing. And so we're excited to improve the process for us. So the question is, why did we get into upholstery, and why do we want to do this? Well, what happens is, as we're building a truck, we actually know the client better than anyone else. We know their thoughts about the truck. We've had many, discussions with them about the fine details. And so it allows us to kind of maintain that control over the entire build, so that in the end, it's a product that we're like, yes, it all came together perfectly. Sometimes we send things to other companies, they work on it, and then they don't have all that information in their mind that, that I have been given. And so it's hard to kind of connect those dots. And so they'll do something and maybe it's not 100% right, or it's close or whatever. This allows us to have the opportunity to stop in, see it a couple times a day, have discussions, with the guys doing the upholstery, and say, yeah, what do you think about this? And what about this? What if we did this? And basically fine tune the process to where it's fluid and it's as if we plan this all the way through. So pretty excited about it. It's going to improve the overall quality of what we're doing and our builds, and hopefully give our clients the very best product that we can give them. And that's what's important to us. We want to do a good job, but at the same time, we want to make sure that our clients are happy with what they're getting. We discuss all the options with leather and thread choice and the different thickness of thread, and make sure everything's been talked about and discussed so that as a customer, you know exactly what it is you're getting. The expectations are clear, and we're able to produce the product here with that clear understanding. And then there's a design element that honestly, I spent a lot of time pondering an interior or an exterior or a paint color, and so we want to make sure that all is fluid when it's all done. So we're pretty excited about our opportunity here and the guys that we got working here, and watch out because you're going to see some pretty cool stuff coming out of our shop with the upholstery at Fender Garage. See ya.